Hi everybody, today I want to show you this ADZERD ring that I just got. It comes in this box right here and it shows you all the different functions. It comes in this little case and the light it shows you when it's charged or when it needs to be charged. It comes with a USB-C charger cable, and when you open it up right here it tells you that it's charging. And I guess you can see this is where it goes. So you charge the case and then the case will charge the ring right here. And the good thing about this is right there you can see that it has a 3 buttons so that you can control anything from a Kindle to read books to your phone for Spotify or any music app, or for TikTok and or any other video. If you're watching Netflix or anything like that, you can control it from here. So you don't have to be using your finger to control it. You can just put your phone somewhere and then just control it through here. Also, you can mirror the phone onto your TV, and then again you control it through here. If you click on the top, you will click left, and if you click on the bottom, it'll click right. Otherwise, if it is on, for example, TikTok, it's up, and you click the up to move the videos up, or down right here, and then you will click down the videos. On the top one, you can control what mode it is, if it is for a page or for Kindle, or if it is video or music. And then you can also pause the video. You also control volume or up or down, and it is really comfortable. You can use it anywhere you want. Again, you control it like this, or again here you can control it like that. Very convenient. Oh, and also you can connect it to your phone to take pictures. Sometimes it's really difficult to grab the phone and push the button as you're looking into it for whether it's a selfie or a group picture. With this one, you can just push the button right here. You hold the camera or the phone and you can just click over here, or if you don't happen to have a selfie stick that has a remote for taking the picture, you put it on the stick and just press right here and you can take the picture. It is very convenient. Again, I've been using it, and I'll put the different videos on how I used it, or how I thought it would be convenient to use when you're in a car, when you're cooking, when you are cleaning, when you are just laying in bed and you want to put the phone somewhere and not have to be constantly doing that. So it's very convenient. I've been using it for a while and I like it a lot. It connects to your phone right away. Once you push over here to in the middle button to turn it on, it immediately connects to your phone, so you don't have to wait for that. So I hope that you guys find it as good, as reliable, as useful as I am.